in the textbook, you should read about Newtonian versus non-Newtonian fluids. So when the viscosity of a fluid depends only on the temperature, the fluid is said to be Newtonian. So it does depend, it does vary. It could vary with temperature. It's Newtonian. Well, what else could it vary with? It could vary with flow speed and shear stresses, etc. Then you're going to have non-Newtonian fluids. You know that there are in your life, you take advantage of these things. Like, let's say you have ketchup in a bottle, and you're going to find that if you shake it just the right way, it starts to come out of the bottle easier. And that has to do with the fact that ketchup isn't a Newtonian fluid. Okay, so a neat example is dilatant materials. So what happens is they thicken, strain rate increases. Okay, if you mix up some cornstarch and you try to move your hand through it, a pen through it, a paddle through it, or even try to step in it, what you'll find is that if you go very slowly, it could be stiff. Okay, while the faster you move, it can soften it up on you, let's call it. Okay, it can become less viscous. And so there's really neat videos you can find on YouTube where people will show examples of non-Newtonian fluids, and you'll have people like running across pools of cornstarch, and as long as they're running fast enough and stepping fast enough, the cornstarch acts like it's solid. But as soon as the person stops, they just sink right in. You could look up the videos. But from the perspective of the course, read the section on Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids, and you're going to have to memorize those differences in those definitions. And there's not going to be a long problem in a quiz or an exam, but there could very easily be just like a multiple choice easy question.